Hello students, welcome to Medical 360 and Career 360. The NEET results are already out. Most of the states are starting their counseling already. The registration for some of the states are already open. The choice filling will start soon. And what we thought was we need to help you out in what essentially happened last year. And what are we talking about here? You actually, within the state, you actually have private universities, you have public institutions, you have deemed universities, which also have some state quota also. And we also have the categories, which is the general category, the OBC, SC, ST, EWS, and so on and so forth. Now, it is very complex in a certain sense, and we wanted to help you out in terms of understanding what happened last year, how many students qualified this year as compared to last year, how many seats have increased this year as compared to last year. All these things is what we want to discuss. And we're doing state by state. Right now, what I'm going to talk about is Kerala. And we'll talk of all government medical colleges that are there in Kerala and what kind of cutoff happened at a category level. And you'll know when we show you of how many students actually qualified, how many seats are there, and all those things is what we'll discuss. Now, while we're talking about this, a lot of students have reached out to us wanting personalized help or counseling because NEET counseling is very complicated. You know that you actually have state counseling, you have deemed university counseling, you have all India counseling, and all those kind of things. So if you need any help, we opened a helpline number. The number is 8130-376334. Send us a message NEET, and one of our medical counselor will call you up to understand what your grievance is and tell you what are the services that we offer. We also have started a Career 360 NEET College Predictor. All you need to do is to just go to Google, search for Career 360 NEET College Predictor, and you need to input your rank, your score if you have it, but for sure you'll have a rank, your category and the state and all. It'll tell you what happened last year for that rank level. So you'll actually have a broad idea of what happened last year. And of course, you need to factor that with the number of seats increase in each state and all India level and all those kind of things. But at least it will give you an indication. So do use this Career 360 NEET College Predictor, which is there for all of you to use. And do subscribe to Medical 360 because we're creating a lot of information and content to help students decide for themselves. And this is a series, and this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM IST, which is a deemed university based in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Now about the Kerala, right? In Kerala, this time around, what happened is the number of seats for government has remained at 1,855, which was so no increase in the government medical college seats. And in private, 3,551 become 3,849, a 300 seat increase. So we're dealing with a 9% seat increase in private. And to that extent, this is good enough for students who are seeking private medical colleges. The more important thing that is very, very crucial for you is the number of students who qualified fell down from 73,328 to 51,782. That's a dramatic fall of about 30%. So what you have is a 30% drop in the number of students who qualified and a 9% increase in the private medical college seats. Both combined together, this time around, folks, the state of Kerala, there will be some kind of a easing off at an all India common rank list, easing off of the numbers. Now, the important thing that you must know is that Kerala creates its own state merit list. So what they do is they take the all India ranks and then create only the students who qualified from Kerala and attribute a rank, attach a rank against that. And what we're going to discuss from now on is the all India common rank list, the state rank list that's been created for those purposes. That will change dramatically as compared to what it was last year because the number of students who qualified this year is 30% lesser. And that will help. So this rank that you all India common, so for example, we're talking of now government medical colleges. This 3398, if it was 234 last year, this time this 3398 might not be 234 but much lesser at about 170, 180. That's a possibility because the number of students who qualified from the state of Kerala this time is much lesser. And that is something that you must understand. And besides that, you also have a 7-8% increase in the number of seats. So to that extent, that's another thing that will work for you. Right. So now let's talk of the thing. By the way, while I'm talking of that, now this rank in terms of what happened last year will not change because at 234, if you got something, that is how it will be because this is relative rank set. The equation between this and this will change. But within this whole thing, the equation will not change because last year, if that 234 rank that got a seat in a particular college, because we're talking of a merit list within the state, that will remain the same. It is just that the all India score to all India common rank list to state rank list that will change. But within the state rank list for a particular college will not change dramatically, but for the increase or decrease in the number of seats that you have in the medical colleges. Now let's talk of general category to begin with. Right, we're talking general category. Highest closing ranks in 2025 is what we're talking about. Right, government medical college code 234 was the state rank, highest closing rank last year for general category. And this 234 had a common all India rank list of 3398. From now on, I'll not talk of this because the number of students qualified this time is so low by 30%, that will change dramatically. So I'm not going to mention this. This I'm scrapping off. We'll only discuss the All India Kerala rank list. Government Medical College Thiruvananthapuram 370 is the highest closing rank. Government Medical College Thrissur 553 is the highest closing rank last time for general category. Government Medical College Kottayam 594 is the highest closing rank. Government Medical College Manjeri 842 is the highest closing rank. Government Medical College Kollam is 852 highest closing rank. TD Medical College Alapua 857 is the highest closing rank. Government Medical College Kannur is 902 and Government Medical College Ernakulam is 904. We did miss out a couple of them because we didn't have data, but whatever I have data, I'm presenting to you at this point in time. And I'm not talking of this part of it because when you have 30% students lesser qualified, you actually need to look at the dynamics of which state fell, which state grew, and all those things. And in my opinion, if 3398 got a rank of 234 last time, this will be about 160, 170 this time, is my opinion. Now, for the EWS category, we talked of general category. Now we talk of EWS category, for which we have data again. I'm going to ignore this again for a moment. Government Medical College Kozhikode 1104, Government Medical College Thiruvananthapuram 1328, Government Medical College Kottayam 1496, Medical College Thrissur is 1746, TD Medical College Alapua is 1753, GMC Ernakulam is 1943, GMC Manjeri is 2118, GMC Kannur is 2186, GMC Kollam is 2291, Government Medical College Konni is 2686, GMC Palakkad is 2709, GMC Idukki is 2842, Government College Wayanad is 3229 and GMC Kasaragod is 3467. Moving to the SC category, we talk of SC category, what happened last year. Again, I'm not going to talk of this. Right. GMC Kozhikode is 5623. GMC Thrissur is 8673. GMC Thiruvananthapuram is 8701. GMC Kottayam is 9173. TD Medical College Alapua is 10163. GMC Kannur is 10321. GMC Kollam is 10661. GMC Ernakulam is 11164. GMC Manjeri is 11404. GMC Konni is 12463. GMC Palakkad is 15239. GMC Idukki is 15439. GMC Wayanad is 15494 and GMC Kasaragod is 15624. Now to the ST category. GMC Kozhikode is 11656. GMC Thiruvananthapuram is 17277. GMC Kottayam is 17812. GMC Thrissur is 18453. GMC Ernakulam is 19298. GMC Kollam is 20179. TD Medical College Alapua is 20723. GMC Idukki is 20938. GMC Manjeri is 21,411. GMC Palakkad is 22,753. GMC Kannur is 22,920. GMC Kasaragod 24,479. GMC Konni 24,871. GMC Wayanad is 25,421. And again, I repeat, I am not looking at this at all because of the issues that I discussed. Now, that's as far as government medical college in Kerala is. We'll also do the state private college and everything that you have. But at this point in time, whatever data I have, I presented to you. Remember, we actually have a 30% lesser qualification, so you have better chance of getting a state interstate state merit rank. And you also have about 7-8% increase in the private medical college, so that will also reflect in terms of your state counseling, if at all, at some point in time. If you want any personalized counseling, this is a number that you should be looking for: 8130376334. Send us a message NEET, and one of our counselors of medical will call you up. Do use our college predictor, which is Career 360 NEET College Predictor. It will help you understand what your chances are. Do subscribe to Medical 360 on YouTube, because we're creating a lot of content to help you out. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM ISD, which is at Deemed University based in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. If you want anything else, please write to me in the message box here. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.